Yeah. So guys,
Hi.
thanks for supporting us.
You're a good boy. Yeah.
There goes Buddy Junior. Yeah. He's taking his carrot with him. Yeah, you're taking your carrot, I promise. Aw, okay. Good boy. Hi. You guys gonna be good? See Sparkle, those are your babies.
Hey, Sparkle. Hey, Belle.
Hi, Bella. The cage carrier is big enough for these guys to ride together. It's right around the corner. Yeah. Buddy Junior. Bye, baby.
Bye, Belle. Bye, Belle. Hey, Belle. Good girl.
Say bye.
Bye, bud.
They're quiet. They're not making a peep. Bye, guys. Surprise, surprise. Buddy. Hey, Buddy. That's your son. That's your son in there. Say, this is the father. And that's the son. Story time soon. Promise. Buddy boy. Hi, Buddy Junior. Is Daddy giving you treats? Oh, he's eating treats.
Good boy, bud. Hey, bud. Bud. Yeah.
Hey, Mustache, you're missing out.
Good boy, bud.
I love how he's checking everything out. He's putting his scent back on everything. Good job. Guys, you remember Buddy Jr.? He's being
I think he
reunited.
remembers Kyle's room, too. That was the first place he went when he was looking around. He went that way.
Really?
He went straight down the hallway. He was sitting outside Kyle's room.
Oh. We did find him a forever home, but what happened was there was a senior cat, and Buddy's really high anxiety being a young cat and always wants to play. So, yeah, it was too stressful, and the owner had to surrender him back to Heather, and then Heather, we adopted him back. So, say hi, Buddy Junior. Say, people might love you. That's not a spray tail, that's a happy tail. They're so happy to see him. Everyone's playing with him. Look, see, there's Daddy. That's the Daddy. That's Buddy. And there's Buddy Junior. And, you know, we got these guys up here. They're showing off. Say hi. We showing off. Are we showing off? Say hi, Buddy. Say see you later. See you later. Good job, babes. Good, you can eat. Good, buddy, get it. Get the banana. Get the banana. Get the banana. Get the banana. Good, you can play. Here we go. There's my good boy. Yeah, if I zoom out, he's playing around with the other animals. Yay! Crazy kitty. Good boy. Guess my good boy. Say we all get along, everybody. It was a little rough few days in the beginning. Yeah, especially with Mustache. But now they're two peas in a pod. He goes upstairs. He hangs out with everybody. Hi. Hello. There's my good boy. He makes these cute little cries. He purr cries. It's so cute. Right? Here upstairs today with me. Give himself a bath at the moment. And look over here. Tubby's chilling on the bed. And up here, Ginger's giving himself a bath at the moment in the seat. So yeah, Junior loves hanging out up here. Look at him. Say hi, Junior. What are you doing to your tail? Oh, that's just so cute. Oh, that's just so cute. Say hi to Heather. Say hi, Heather. All right. I hope you're having a good weekend. Look at this. Oh, they just got up. I just started filming. But there is Junior. That's his new name now because Buddy was getting confused along with Buddy Jr. So we just changed his name to Junior and Butch, and we're getting their backsides at the moment. Are we guys good? Hi. Junior. Junior, say hello. Hello. Are we just waking up? Junior. Okay. Well, anyway, that's Junior. Come here, baby. Hi, say hello. Yeah, there you are. All right, guys. See you soon.